The capital murder trial of Elkmont teenager Mason Sisk ended in stunning fashion this morning. Limestone County Circuit Judge Chad Wise declaring a mistrial, signaling an end to a now 6-day-long trial.
And that decision left a lot of the jurors with unanswered questions, others eager to try to erase the vivid images they saw from their minds. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker has covered the trial since day one. Joins us now in the studio with the latest. Dallas.
That's right. 4 days of testimony, full days of testimony, and I do mean full. Jurors saw everything from body camera video from the night of the crimes to autopsy photos of each victim. It's been a long process for the jurors. One night they stayed past 8 o'clock to listen to testimony, and everything came to a screeching halt this morning when Judge Wise declared a mistrial due to an issue with getting access to a Sisk family cell phone. 14 jurors total, including 2 alternates, were dismissed from their service just before 10 a.m. In the hallway today, several of those jurors who wanted to remain anonymous asked questions about what the mistrial means for Mason Sisk, and some expressed concerns about the quantity of disturbing photo evidence they had to sit through during this trial. Representatives from both the defense and the prosecution were taking notes in the end. Limestone County DA Brian C.T. Jones says he's not surprised the judge declared a mistrial. The defense says they're glad Judge Wise made that move.
He was obviously given a very difficult decision that he had to make based on the fact that we had a lot of new information come to light there at the end, and we think he made the right decision.
Well, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in that this is a fine group of people that both sides picked as a jury. They sat there, to listen to the evidence. And this is some of those things that you can't unsee. That, like I said earlier, I do this for a living. I chose to do this. Now, it doesn't mean that I don't go home at night and I can't sleep because I've seen pictures of dead children. But these are people that came to this courthouse to do their civic duty, and they're leaving this building without any type of finality.
Now, shortly after he declared a mistrial, Judge Wise set a pre-trial conference for January 31st and a new trial date of February 13th, 2023. Until that time comes, Mason Sisk will remain in the custody of the Limestone County Jail. Jerry.